guys, I am welcome to back to my channel. Sorry that I've been not posting a lot because I've been very busy on it. Like calling my new friends or my cousins. So this is about someone you can just skip if you want to. Let's start. First one, items, clothes, accessories. Second one, face, clothes, other or accessories. Second, face, clothes, other. Second, third. Getting so much into it. Eyes and face, clothes, other. Got it. This is a summer clothes, so don't mind it. If it's ugly, so don't use it. Eyes and face, don't mind it. Clothes, other. Hope you have a nice day of my adventures. I will do another video of hair combo. Hope you have a great day. Bye.